fraction ahead of Milad Karimi by a matter of hundredths, who's also just a fraction ahead of James Bakueti. Shin Jae-hwan of the Republic of Korea is the 6th to perform on vault and was the 6th strongest qualifier. 21-year-old from Seoul in his 6th World Cup event, having made his World Cup debut a year ago in Melbourne. Now, if he avoids a 0.1 penalty on this first vault, unlike qualification, which he nearly did. He nearly did. I was about to say he could really be in contention to go into the lead. And a little delayed hop out. It's going to come down to those very tiny tenths. Such is the closeness of all of these competitors. Won a silver medal at the World Challenge Cup in Zhaoqing last year. It's 13.3 for Urara Ashikawa of Japan, and she takes World Cup gold. And that is a very key result for Ashikawa, because that's her second in a row in the World Cup series. The first competitor to win 2 balance beam competitions in the World Cup Olympic qualification process. We'll come back to the classified results on the balance beam in a short while, but now we go to the second vault of Shin Jae-hwan. Yet again, that little hop to the side as he lands, but he's got a very good central line in his vaulting. Some powerful work too. Surprised he's pretty happy with that, the young athlete who we're starting to see a lot more of now internationally. Good amplitude, good technique in his twist work. Powerful run up. Really nice work with his feet. Very much keeping the toes together. The little details, very precise in Shin Jae-hwan's gymnastics. It's a great day for the Republic of Korea yesterday, with Ryu Sung-hyun winning the men's floor competition. There's a gymnast who the world is talking about following that display. Wonderful from Shin Jae-hwan, 14.866, and he's pushed himself into the gold medal position. Cup of 2020.
The winner of the bronze medal represents Israel,
Andrei Medvedev from Israel, the recipient of the bronze medal, with a score of 14.55. A useful score for him in terms of his qualification hopes. A very useful score for Jorge Vega of Guatemala. Second place finish for him.
World Cup champion on men's vault represents Korea, Shin Jae-hwan.
This is a performance on vault that's really played Shin Jae-hwan into contention. 14.866 for him, and he has secured the title here in Melbourne. Picked up 25 points in the Melbourne World Cup last year. This is now a 30-point haul for the 21-year-old from Seoul. Second time we've seen a gymnast from the Republic of Korea in central spot on the podium at the Melbourne World Cup. As a result, we shall hear for a second time the national anthem of the Republic of Korea.
Please, the outstanding for the national anthem of Korea.
Gukga, the national anthem of the Republic of Korea, adopted in 1948 and played in honour of Shin Jae-hwan, who takes vault top spot here in Melbourne. We'll continue with the balance beam victory ceremony, but there are the classified results in the men's vault competition, with Andrei Medvedev of Israel taking the bronze medal, Jorge Vega of Guatemala the silver, and Shin Jae-hwan of the Republic of Korea the title. Not at all as compact, those final scores, compared